Hello friends, today we are making a video on construction vehicles, and today we are trying to make a building in our block city. As you can see, there are so many construction vehicles are parked in our neighborhood to do all kind of construction work. What is this vehicle? What it does?
It goes automatic.
Okay. What about the other one?
This is the dumptruck.
Okay. Are you going to carry your blocks using this drum truck? And you are gonna unload the other side of the road? And what is that one?
Backhoe.
Okay. Are you going to, load those blocks using the backhoe? Awesome. Okay, are you going to load some blocks
Yes.
using?
Backhoe.
Great job. Okay, do it for me. Let me see how you can do. That has a bigger hand. Awesome.
Oh
Oh, that's fine. Good job, Backhoe. Are you going to load now in the drum truck? Awesome. Nice. Good job. Here you go. Nice. Is it time to take the blocks to the other place for building
yes.
the Nice. The front loader is carrying all the blocks, and you can see there is a drum truck coming behind.
Time to turn it off.
It's time to unload. Is it a drum truck behind? Awesome. It's time to unload. It's time to unload now. All the blocks. Good job. Ooh, good. Nice. Good job, Riddhi. It's coming towards me. Now I will unload it. So the empty front loader is going back to load again. Good job, front loader. You can load again. What are you doing? Are you excited? Okay, can you help Riddhi with load some blocks? Good job. Riddhi, you can leave it so it will come again. Looks like it's stuck. Okay. All the blocks are now unloaded and it's going back to its place. Catch it! Good job. Load it again. Good job. Small load, otherwise it will break down. Good job. Leave it, Riddhi. Nice. It's so cute. Looks like front loader unloaded it its own way. Going back again. Okay. Okay, the front loader and the drum trucks are coming to unload the block. Good job, guys. Awesome. As you can see, all the blocks are dumped here. Ishan, what is this vehicle? It's an excavator.
Yes.
Okay, so what it does? What it does? Oh, that building fall down? Yeah. So are you trying to dump in another place where the actual building will be made?
Yes.
Good job, excavator. Okay, you're gonna move all the blocks now? Nice. Good, nice. That's okay. Good job.
Last one.
Awesome. Nice. Now the drum truck is empty. It's now again going back to its own place to load the blocks again. Awesome. So front loader is now ready to go back for load again. Yeah, can you get the backhoe as well? Because we need it here. So we have all the machines here to build the building, blocks building. Now we are gonna make one blocks building. Are you going to dump all these blocks? Awesome. job. What about these front loader blocks? You can take them using excavator and put them in that place. Nice. So now, as you see, all the blocks are here. Our Ishan is making a building using those blocks. So this would be the 11th building in our block city. Nice, Ishan. Is it a tall building? Is it the tallest building in our city?
No, I don't know.
Okay, so once you are done, you will see. Looks like this is the tallest one, see? Awesome. Nice. This building looks awesome. This is the tallest tower in our block city. Is it gonna stand or is it gonna fall down? Good job. It's not standing. Yeah, you can make 2 buildings instead of 1. That's fine. That's still good. Okay, so looks like this is the tallest building in our city. Okay, nice, Ishan. Okay, can you put the building beside that red one? Red building? Good job, Ishan. Yes, it's the tallest building. See how the nice building we have made using all these construction vehicles. So drum truck, excavator, loader, and backhoe. And looks how our city looks like. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe.